let's talk about some of the big news coming out of YouTube as the letter from the YouTube CEO, who's fairly new, Neil Mohan, as we focus on new priorities in 2024. Let's learn about it so you know what's coming to you in 2024. Since the very first upload, YouTube has opened up a new way to tell stories. Suddenly anyone with a story could find an audience, and they did just that. People filmed their kitchens and bathrooms and even backyards. Along the way, they built communities that stretched across the globe. Clearly a little fluff piece, but $70 billion have been paid out to creators, artists, and media companies over the last 3 years. YouTube took this creativity one step further by making a big bet. We decided to share revenue with creators. Since then, the growth of the creator economy has been incredible. More people created content on YouTube in the last 3 years than ever before, and we've hit a new milestone. Today, more than 3 million channels are in the YouTube Partner Program. That is an amazing feat. Can you imagine? 3 million channels are currently monetized, which gives creators ways to earn money on YouTube. The YouTube Partner Program has paid out more than any other creator monetization platform. As we mentioned already, $70 billion to creators, artists, and media companies. So, number one big thing that YouTube is focusing on this year is AI to empower human creativity. The CEO says, "I've spent my career at the intersection of technology and creativity, and I recognize both the potential and questions we have to face with generative AI. The good news is YouTube has spent years tackling complex challenges from monetization to rights management to protecting our community. We're approaching AI advances with the same mission that we've launched in YouTube years ago. We want to help everyone create. AI should empower human creativity, not replace it, and everyone should have access to AI tools that will push the boundaries of creative expression." And for those of you who are unfamiliar, YouTube has definitely been doubling down on AI. So right now, some people have access to this feature that you can actually search for generative ideas by AI and even generate outline suggestions. Not everybody has access to this quite yet, but in 2024, clearly, even the CEO is saying it, they're doubling down on AI technologies. Things that they're currently offering are things like Dream Screen, Music AI Incubator, Dream Track. Those are all experiments that are coming to us over the next year. So keep an eye out for more AI in YouTube. Number two, creators should be recognized as next generation studios. Over the years, creators have built a name for themselves. They're entertaining people around the world, making us laugh and bringing us together. They are also doing something even bigger. They're redefining the future of entertainment industry and top-notch storytelling that can't be dismissed as simply user-generated content. So what are they doing for this? They are working behind the scenes to support creators through programs like Creative Collective, which brings creators together to share experiences, build community, and collaborate. We've launched a pilot for this program last year in eight countries, and we've heard helpful feedback. This year, we'll help policymakers and partners across the industry see economic and entertainment value that creators bring to the table. Being a creator is a full-time job, but most governments don't account for creators into their labor data. So, hit and miss on this one, at least in my opinion. I don't really care that there's governments out there that don't look into the data or acknowledge YouTubers. I would like to know what value YouTube is going to bring to its own creators. After all, YouTube doesn't exist without us creators. It sounds like a little bit of fluff and talk about how they're going to adopt YouTube to even more places. Number three, YouTube's next frontier is the living room and subscriptions. When I started YouTube, people thought about content from major studios and content creators as entirely different. But today that stark divide is gone. Viewers want everything in one place, from live sports, games, to other programs, and they're watching YouTube the way you used to sit down together for traditional TV shows on the biggest screen in the home with friends and family. Their numbers are impressive. Viewers globally now watch 1 billion hours on average of YouTube content on their TVs every day, according to Nielsen's report on streaming in the US. So memberships are becoming a bigger and bigger thing on YouTube, and they're clearly focused on it because if they can drive members to YouTube, they are going to get more money. Plain and simple, why would they not invest in memberships? We've seen much development in memberships in YouTube's memberships over the last year, and they're going to continue doubling down on that clearly. Number 4, protecting the creator economy is foundational. As we work across all these priorities, our number 1 commitment is responsibility to protect the YouTube community. Our business as a streaming service relies not only on engagement, but on giving viewers and advertisers confidence that they can count on us to deliver high quality content. Protecting the creator economy is foundational to everything we do, and it's good for business. Now, this being said, I see kind of a counterintuitive thing being said here because shorts have been a primary focus for YouTube. It's undeniable over the last couple of years. And now they're saying that they're trying to protect the YouTube community that has been built as a foundation on YouTube long form content. So they're saying they're going to protect their creator economy, but yet they double down on shorts. Whether or not shorts are going to be a future for YouTube, we still have yet to see, but this seems a little counterintuitive what they're telling us, that they're going to focus on the foundation. We'll see how that comes out in 2024. So delivering on our mission, these are 4 bets we're making in 2024, but our work doesn't end there. We're creating the best possible experiences on YouTube, whether you're learning something new, checking out a podcast, or watching your favorite gaming creators live stream. Most of the innovations we work on every day don't make headlines, but they deliver on our mission to help people connect through stories. Of course, none of this would be possible without our creators, viewers, advertisers, and partners. Thanks to an amazing community for everything you do to help people around the world come together on YouTube every day. I look forward to seeing what you all do next, and I'm interested in what you think about this next. Do you approve of this mission as YouTube content creators and the direction YouTube is taking for 2024? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, share the video with somebody so that they understand what their future looks like on YouTube. And also think about subscribing below for more YouTube tips and tricks and news. You wouldn't want to fall behind. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video. If you need the ability to edit your videos in bulk, check out EditBulk.com for a free tool that allows you to change up all your titles and descriptions of your videos in bulk. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe below, hit that notification bell for more YouTube tips and tricks. I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.